When I have plantains at home, I always prepare them this way because the result is absolutely delicious. Honestly, the whole world should know this recipe. For this dessert, we'll be using ripe plantains, fresh strawberries, sugar, oil for frying, ice cream, and an optional touch of cinnamon to finish everything off. We'll start with the strawberries. Take 1 full cup of strawberries and cut them into very small cubes. Make sure the pieces are really small so they cook evenly and release their juices properly. Once all the strawberries are chopped, place them in a pan over low heat. Now add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar and begin stirring slowly. Keep stirring until the sugar melts and combines with the strawberries, forming a thick and glossy syrup. This process takes a few minutes, but it's worth it because the flavor becomes deep and naturally sweet. While the strawberries cook, tell me which country or city you're watching from so I can send you a special greeting in the next video. Today's greetings go to Miriam Habels from Ecuador and Irene Vallejo from Peru. Thank you so much for always watching, supporting, and enjoying our recipes. As the strawberries continue to cook, you'll notice how they soften, melt, and turn into a beautiful homemade strawberry jam. Once it reaches a thick consistency, turn off the heat and set it aside while we move on to the next step. Now let's prepare the plantains. Here I have 4 plantains that are still attached at the top. Start by cutting off the tips, then carefully slice them lengthwise. We're not going to remove the peel completely, so pay close attention to this step. Using a light knife, gently remove part of the peel while leaving the top portion attached. This method is very easy and practical, and it helps keep the plantains firm while frying. Carefully peel them just like I'm showing you here. Look how nicely they turn out. Next, add enough oil to a pan and let it heat very well. The oil should be hot before adding the plantains. Once ready, carefully place the plantains into the oil and fry them until they become golden, caramelized, and beautifully browned. Make sure there's enough oil to fully cover the plantains so they fry evenly on all sides. Once the plantains are perfectly caramelized, remove them from the oil and let them drain slightly. To serve, place 1 plantain on each side of the plate. In the center, add the strawberry jam, and around it, place scoops of ice cream. Finish by drizzling more of the strawberry jam over everything. You can also replace the strawberries with another fruit if you prefer. It doesn't have to be strawberry. Finally, if you like, sprinkle a little cinnamon on top of the plantains for an extra touch of flavor. This dessert is easy, comforting, and incredibly delicious. I'd love for you to rate it from 0 to 10. It doesn't take much time to prepare and is perfect as a weekend dessert. If this is your first time watching one of our recipes, subscribe to Gustilo's Recetas for more content. See you in the next video, friends. A big hug.